What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chris from Day Traders Lifestyle TV. Welcome to another episode of Market Strip Down Saturdays. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and I will see you soon. Guys, welcome to episode 7 of Market Strip Down Saturdays. First off, we're looking at gold on the 4-hour time frame. We had a nice upward channel here, which was broken, I believe, on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday was broken, retested very quickly on a 1 hour, and we just had a continued fall since then. I was not looking at this on my computer today. I was looking at it on my phone, and just watching it fall, and it didn't make sense, and it just makes so much sense. It makes a lot more sense, sorry, now that I have it open in front of my computer. It was a pretty clean setup, to be honest with you. It was a strong support area over here. We can see this descending trend line that we have, that if you had it plotted out beforehand, a lot of people would say that you're crazy, it's never going to hit that, but majority of the times that's the price that it does end up hitting. What I see occurring for this coming week is a push up to the 1304 with either a rejection at the 1304 and a continued push back down to this level, to the 1292, or possibly even lower. The one that I see being the higher probability setup is a push above the 1304 up to the 1308, which we could again either hit this level, we could hit the 1308 and collapse back down, or we could hit the 1308, use the 1304 as a support. After the 1304 becomes support, we should take back off to the 1316. I can't see us breaking back any higher than that as of right now. But I think that 1316 is a good end target or middle range target for this week. Again, this is on the 4-hour, so I'm thinking that we'll head, if we do break these levels, up to the 1315. If not, we'll hang out somewhere around here, possibly even head down lower. Let's head over to EURUSD now. EURUSD, super simple setup on the 1 hour. We're still in the weekly range, the range of pretty much last week. We didn't really go anywhere. I'm thinking we're going to have a retest of the support here at the 113.56 price handle, somewhere around there, retest down to there, make a little triple bottom. If we don't break it, obviously there's a possibility that we're going to break it and fall till 90 cents. Joking, that's not going to happen. But what I see occurring is a bounce off of the support, a push up and around to the 113.80. So about what is that, a 25 pip push, 24 pips, huh? My math's getting better. 24 pip push, which lines up pretty close to there, this descending trend line. So that seems like a pretty probable setup. If we do break above, I think that we'll reuse the 113.83 as a support level, bounce off of it, and retest Friday's high of 140.85, 148.2, somewhere around there. Other than that, I don't really see any other setups for EURUSD, so let's head over to USDJPY. USDJPY, a little cleaner, in my opinion. I see a push down to the 111.78, but they push back up to the 111.90, which is roughly where we're at right now. So we're going to reuse this price point as a resistance area, which we will then head down, start to fill this wick. This could obviously act as a support level as it did previously. So we could possibly head down to that support and get rejected and bounce off of it. I don't see the 111.64 stopping price. I see price stopping somewhere in around 111.46 and possibly bouncing back up. So we could have a play something like this. If not, we could see a break below. Obviously, push back up and use it as a, use this as a resistance and then continue bearish from there. That's all I really see for USDJPY. I do think that will end up anywhere from 111.4 down to 111 even. We could head back down to the break even of 111. So do keep that in mind and don't count that possibility out, especially as this coming Friday is the first Friday of the month. And if you're aware of news events, it is NFP. And then the next week after that, we're just completely slammed with news events. So keep an eye on that and watch out for this possible setup on USDJPY. GBPJPY, again, super clean and simple setup. I'm seeing a push up to the 148 price handle, and from there we should head downwards about 180 pips to the 14628. Reuse this as a resistance and then start to make lower lows, I believe. That is my opinion on GBPJPY. I don't really see another setup on that one, but same as USDJPY. I definitely think that it's going to be a bearish.
What's going on, guys? I hope you enjoyed episode 7 of Market Strip Down Saturdays. Share it with your friends, your family, anybody that's interested in this industry or might want to learn about it. I will see you on next week's episode and kill it in the markets.